Is this the future of wireless HDMI for businesses? Does it really deliver? Today, I am unboxing the brand new Vention enterprise grade wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, and I am so excited because this is the first unboxing of this product on YouTube. And not only I will explore what's inside the box, but I will also test it live on my monitor. Before unboxing, let's check out the box itself. Vention has gone professional with this packaging design, clearly highlighting that this is an enterprise grade solution. On the front side, you can see enterprise grade wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, also 50-meter stable signal, and at the back you can see all the details about its wireless HDMI functionality, plug and play setup, support for high definition transmission, and the model number ADT, transmitter protocol, receiver protocol, resolution details, operating frequency, everything. The packaging has already sets the tone. This is not just another consumer gadget, it's built for business use. Now let's unbox it. Okay, inside the box, this is the receiver, this is the transmitter, and these two are the antennas for receiver. Okay, the user manual, another good looking box, I think for the accessories. Yes, a HDMI cable, 3.5mm audio cable, and two USB A to USB type C cable, two, not single one. Okay, so everything comes neatly arranged and the build quality feels solid right out of the box. Now time for closer look. Here is the transmitter. It's very compact and lightweight, perfect for laptop, mobile devices or any kind of devices. And this is the receiver. Yes, you can do it. This is the receiver. It feels more robust with proper ventilation and multiple ports to ensure stable long session. You can give output to two monitors at a time. Both units look professional and the finish definitely matches its enterprise branding. The setup is straightforward. At first, you need to connect the antennas. Then the receiver needs a Type-C power supply, and transmitter and receiver should work flawlessly. They are paired at the factory. Okay, now time for live demo. This is my laptop, this is my monitor, HDMI cable is here. I am connecting the HDMI to the laptop's HDMI output. Okay, now time to connect the HDMI cable to the receiver. Then I need to connect the type C power supply. Yes, everything is connected. I need to change my Windows settings. Okay, the machine is powering up. Let's see it. Okay, this is the introductory page. You can see product setup tutorial for television or laptop. You can also, okay, it's automatically detected my laptop via this transmitter. Everything is perfect. Wow, this works flawlessly without any setup. This is outstanding. Well done. And I know you cannot see the clarity here but I can assure you this is perfectly 180p. Okay, I am going to play the video now. Selecting the resolution. Yes, you can see no frame drop whatsoever. The video is itself, I think, freezes sometimes. Okay, everything is perfect. You can see the two monitors here, and sometimes if the output device is not powerful, you need to connect a USB Type-C power source to the transmitter as well. But the receiver needs power 100% time. You can connect single monitor via HDMI or two monitor via VGA and HDMI. You can also use this 3.5mm jack for VGA video input. Okay, so no driver, no software needed. So this is the live demo. As you can see, video is streaming wirelessly in the high definition. The image is sharp and I can see no latency. This is what makes it enterprise grade, reliable enough for conferences, classroom or office environment where stability means everything. So who should consider this? If you are tired of messy HDMI cables or you want a clean wireless solution for presentation, classroom or professional setups, the Vention wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is a strong option. At around $150, it offers plug and play simplicity with the enterprise reliability. But you can also check the AliExpress link I given you in this video. At this time, AliExpress only selling this product just for $80, flat 50% discount. So if you are interested, this is the best deal you can get. And this is the first ever time a YouTube unboxing video and demo of Vention's Enterprise Wireless HDMI. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe and the bell icon for more exclusive first looks on Galaxy Station. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.